Let's call this determinant as delta. Question is asking you to calculate what is this value, is the question asked. Now if you see in this row number 1, smallest factorial is 15 factorial, row number 2 smallest factorial is 16 factorial, and in the row number 3 the smallest factorial is 17 factorial. Is it not 17 factorial? So what we can do, delta is equal to 15 factorial, I will take out common from the row number 1, 16 factorial I will take out common from the row number 2, 17 factorial I will take out common from the row number 3. So 16 can be written as 16 factorial can be written as 16 into 15 factorial, right? 17 factorial can be written as 17 into 16 into 15 factorial. So I can write 16, 17 multiplied by 16, 1, 17, then 18 multiplied by 17, and then 17, 1, then 18, then 19 multiplied by 18. Is it okay? 19 multiplied by 18. So after this I can perform an operation. R2 forms transforms to R2 minus R1. R2 transforms to R2 minus R1. Or R1 transforms to R1 minus R2, we'll do like this, and R2 transforms to R2 minus R3. Is it okay? That becomes more easy. Delta is equal to 15 factorial multiplied by 16 factorial multiplied by 17 factorial into R1 forms R1 minus R2, 0, minus 1. Then what can be taken out common? 17 if you take out common, 16 minus 18 will be minus 2. Is it right? Similarly 0 minus 1. If you take out 18 common, then it will be minus 2. And 1, 18 and what is it? 19 into 18. So now you can take out minus sign common, minus sign common. From row number 1 and row number 2 you can take out common. Minus sign you can take out common. So delta is equal to 15 factorial multiplied by 16 factorial multiplied by 17 factorial. Take out the minus sign common, that is minus 1 common from row number 1 and row number 2. So you will be left with 0, 1, 17 into 2 will be 34. Or I will write like this only, 17 into 2, 17 multiplied by 2. So then 0, 1 and then 18 into 2. Is it okay? And then 1, 18, then 19 multiplied by 18. Is it okay? Then again we can write R1 forms R1 minus R2. So I can write delta is equal to 15 factorial multiplied by 16 factorial multiplied by 17 factorial, minus 1 the whole square will be 1 only. So 0, 0 and minus 2. Is it right? 2 common, right? Minus 2. Then 0, 1 and 18 into 2 and 1, 18 and 19 into 18. After this what we can do is we can expand along the row number 1. So 15 factorial into 16 factorial into 17 factorial into 0 multiplied by anything is 0, minus 0 multiplied by anything is 0, minus 2 into, leave the row and column. So it is 0 minus 1. So the answer to the question will be 2 times 15 factorial into 16 factorial into 17 factorial will be the answer to the question.